SafetyWing Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. SafetyWing isn't just another travel insurance provider. You won't believe how it's designed specifically for digital nomads and remote workers. Most people get this wrong by assuming travel insurance is expensive or limited to short trips, but the surprising truth is that SafetyWing offers flexible, affordable coverage with global reach. Pricing starts at per 4 weeks for individuals, with additional coverage for dependents at per 4 weeks. This includes medical coverage up to 0, hospitalization, and even coverage for unexpected travel delays. You won't believe the value when you consider the flexibility. Plans can be paused or extended anytime, making it ideal for people constantly on the move. SafetyWing also covers COVID-19 related medical expenses, which many travelers still overlook. Most people get this wrong by not factoring in exclusions and coverage areas, but SafetyWing is transparent. It covers medical emergencies abroad and offers a network of worldwide medical providers. In conclusion, SafetyWing pricing is competitive, and the coverage goes beyond standard travel insurance by catering to long-term travelers, freelancers, and remote workers. By understanding your travel patterns and potential medical needs, you can see exactly what you get for your money: peace of mind, global medical coverage, and flexible plans designed for modern travelers.